guys, welcome back to the channel one more time. It's your girl Island Girl. In today's video I just want to see I just gonna show you my nice clean things that I get from Jamaica. So don't know some my brother in the place. I just go airport, go pick him up in Orlando, and I just reached back home after 11, you know, and you know, so I bring up the nice clean things them from Jamaica, the fish and the magnum and the rum cream them and the breadfruit them and the bulla and all these nice things. So people, I go show you some of the things them when me get. Who beg not get, who no beg no want a beg. Don't mind me. I'm just overexcited, you know. I haven't seen him since December, so yeah. I'm just happy and excited to have, you know, family around, because I'm by myself here and, you know, I don't see family a lot. So sometimes it kind of get lonely, even though he's not staying here. He's just gonna stay here for a couple of days and go see my aunts up in Panama City, because he has stuff that he has to bring for them too, and then he's gonna come back here and then leave from here to Jamaica. So but anywho, I'm excited. Y'all get fish and all these goodies, Jamaican goodies them. So let's get right to the video, people. Let me show you my nice great things I want me get. Guys, my brother is here from Jamaica, people. They get all the goodies. So we have the name sour sap leaf. Now there's a bag here. Fried fish. Only for fried fish there. I already have fried fish up in a plate. Magnum, bulla, good old bulla cake. The kitchen is a mess right now, but me no care. Me got KFC in a bag. Hey, Jamaica KFC in a bag there, so. Fridge, raw fish already packed out in a fridge. Whole bag of breadfruit. Did I make breadfruit? Breadfruit. On top of breadfruit.
Then after that, the one first one.
Maybe I could keep them in a bag there. Can the fish there? No, I push them can stay out.
Oh, what is that?
No, I think in the fridge.
What is that for?
Yeah,
I'm sorry, fish there no valley.
could have cream.
Yeah, I'll take the one I don't remember.
There you go. Banana cheese nut. There's a cheese nut bag side. Can't stay that now if you're going in the fridge. What is that? I'm gonna wrap up everything in a newspaper. Like the old people. Just it's a saltfish. You will spoil filet out? I don't know. Saltfish not going in the fridge. Saltfish always stay out because it can't. It not go spoil. You carry up from Jamaica and leave it out December and it not spoil. You can't turn out. Probably just kind of open out the paper when you put it on the kitchen counter. Some more rum cream for me. Yes, sir. More bush chips. Bun. I say bun then squeeze up. So you carry them up December to then squeeze up. And go through a whole lot. Brandy. I will drink brandy if it eats. The Auntie Sharon. I drink them is sitting there. Some of my cup of tea. I look for my rum cream. Rum cream me order. Rum cream and magnum. Some more rum cream. Some mine. Order rum cream. Yes, Shan stop me up. Place me order what me want. Yeah, look for my things them. Rest I go to Panama City. So good old Jamaican chocolate. My auntie they love them and sitting here. And I go to Panama City for them. Going to the next stop. Them can't stay in my suitcase. Well, I guess that's it for me. Now, Regal, you know how much years gonna see Regal? No, so me I look fit in the supermarket at Jamaica, Lucy, and we couldn't find it. Girl, send me up a one place. Some more bulla. Send me a one place. See more fish me and I say man, this is a bonita fish. More fish we stick up in a suitcase so. If you drop out that paper, I had a rough ride. Drop out. Well, me think of that. That's for that. So now people, it's a raw fish. Yeah. So me get some fry and some fry and some raw. So me can steam them myself. Steam roast them or you know. However I want to cook them, I can cook them. So, I get some raw one too. So, yes, we are going to chop beer fish. Strong up girl body. Yeah, so nice. These are all roast breadfruit and bami. Fresh bami. I'm going to soak this in the milk and fry it. And this are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 package of roast breadfruit. I go fry them. I like them fry. Store them in a freezer. They stay in a Ziploc bag like this. And store them in a freezer. Keep them frozen. And they can last me up to 3 weeks, up to a month in the freezer. And yes, my nice clean things them from Jamaica. Yes, yeah, so nice. So my little cash, me get me order my rum cream, and me order my magnum, and me get them. So you know, say a trouble there, right there, so. People, 11 o'clock at night, and me I go chop. Can't wait till tomorrow at all. I have to take one for the night. Can't wait. I'm going to take my first sip of the magnum here. You see it? Straight out of Jamaica. Just come off a JetBlue flight. Come straight to me here. And I'm going to take my first sip. Trouble there. That's all I can say. Trouble there. Trouble there. My husband will laugh. Trouble there. Get ready. Whew. Oh, I miss this. Magnum tonic wine. The best. The best, the best, the best. The best in the West. That's all me can say. People, me I go on my bed. Fish was good. Breadfruit was good. Go take a shower now. It was a long day. Went to the airport in Orlando to go pick up my brother. It's after 11 now. So gonna go get some rest. And yes, baby, trouble there. The husband run gone. Baby, why you run? My husband said I should only drink half. Last time, December, I brought up Magnum from Jamaica, and I drank some one night. Trouble there. That's all me can say. When you see me take this one out and I put it on the table, he said, "Baby, don't drink that tonight." He said, "Baby, don't drink that tonight." I said, "I'm only gonna drink half." He said, "Okay, that's fine." Half is fine. But anyway, people, thanks for tuning in, and I'm gonna get some rest. So I gotta be up by 6 in the morning, and it's after 11 now, so yeah, bye.